12:25, if you head out the door in about 10 hours to go outside tonight, you can see Mars. It's actually at opposition tonight. What that means is it's basically opposite the sun, judging by our position. If we're the Earth, the sun is at one side, and then completely on the other side is Mars in the sky. And that will be rising from the southeast up into the southern sky late this evening, kind of be in the southern sky around midnight or 1, fairly high, and then gradually gets a little lower in the western sky late at night. But there's nothing crazy about it. Sometimes you see things go around Facebook say Mars is going to be as big as the moon. No, it's just a little bit closer to us the next several days and a little brighter than it has been. Actually, fairly bright. The brightest really it's been since back in 2003. So again, Mars will be in the southern sky late tonight. It's the brightest thing behind the moon and then Venus, and then Mars will be the third brightest thing you can see in the nighttime sky. And again, brightest since 2003. Nothing else too crazy about it, except it's a bright red dot in the sky, and fun to look at if you have binoculars or a telescope, I guess. But it will be just about as bright really all summer. It's not like it all of a sudden changes the next day. It's a very gradual change. Small rain chance today coming back with partly sunny skies. Mainly hot and dry this weekend. Probably going to be around 100 in a lot of places the next few days, and near 100 through the weekend and early next week. There will be a weak cold front in the state next week. May push together enough moisture to give us a small shower chance or a thunderstorm chance again by about next, say, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Nothing on the first 1.5 Doppler network now, and there's a small chance that as we heat up a bit more, you notice there are some puffy clouds already in the sky, that we could start to see a couple of showers or maybe a weak thunderstorm if something gets strong enough, but probably not very widespread. You see there's nothing yet in the lower valley. The sea breeze kind of marching westward right now through Cameron and Willacy County, still not able to develop any rain this afternoon. We had 1 or 2 little showers in Willacy County this morning around sunrise, and that's been it. 95 in McAllen right now, 95 also in Brownsville, and 85 at the island. Temperatures everywhere inland, though, well into the 90s today, even above 100 over the western half of the valley on this map. Wind speeds are fairly light, only about 5 or 10 miles per hour. There's not much of a breeze blowing. I think we'll get a little more of a breeze by the weekend, maybe 15, 16, 17 miles per hour. But the last few days, there hasn't been much of a breeze to help cool you off. And it feels like, with the humidity added in, already feels like it's above 100 everywhere. 105 in Brownsville, 106 in Rio Grande City, and 107 in McAllen. So that's the heat index, the apparent temperature you feel if you are standing in the shade. So you always want to stay cool and hydrated on these days. Satellite radar shows a couple of showers offshore. There's some moisture out here that's maybe trying to get into the valley today. That's why we have a small shower chance, but again, it's not a big chance. But Future Track does try to show a couple showers developing by mid-afternoon. So maybe around 2 or 3 o'clock as we heat up more, there could be a couple showers of the sea breeze moving in and kind of west or northwest across the area through this evening. And then things dry out with clear skies overnight. And then Saturday, you could say maybe a very small chance of a shower, even less than today. But Future Track tries to show the sea breeze have maybe 1 shower with it tomorrow, but it's a very, 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 very small chance. And the same thing for Sunday. It's probably going to be mostly sunny and hot, with very limited chances for a brief shower. So for most of you, the weekend is looking dry and hot for Saturday and Sunday. And like I said, close to 100 degrees again. 20% chance, if even that high, of a shower today, and then going back down to near 0, close to 0 most areas Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday. First 1.5 forecast today near 98 with partly sunny skies, but again, a 20% chance for a shower. After today, we heat up a little bit more for Saturday and Sunday, and then maybe drop temperatures just a few degrees next week. We'll have to watch rain chances ahead of a weak front in Texas. We could start to see small rain chances by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but you notice it's not a huge swing in temperatures. For the most part, it stays hot for many days to come. So we'll keep tracking any rain if it tries to pop up in your first 1.5 forecast. Dina?